When it comes to improving your home's value, many homeowners in Nampa focus on renovations like kitchen remodels, landscaping, or painting. However, one often overlooked upgrade with a significant impact is window replacement. Replacing your old, outdated windows with modern, energy-efficient ones can transform your home's appearance, improve functionality, and boost its market value. Here's how window replacement can make a meaningful difference to your home's value in Nampa. Increased energy efficiency. One of the most immediate benefits of window replacement is improved energy efficiency. In Nampa's fluctuating climate, where summers are hot and winters can get cold, old or inefficient windows allow heat to escape in winter and enter during summer. This puts extra strain on your HVAC system, resulting in higher energy bills. Modern windows are designed with energy-efficient features such as double or triple pane glass, provides insulation and minimizes heat transfer. Low E coatings, reflect heat while letting natural light through. Insulated frames, materials like vinyl, fiberglass, and composite resist heat loss. Homebuyers recognize the value of energy-efficient windows as they translate into lower utility bills and a smaller carbon footprint. Installing energy-efficient windows makes your home more attractive to eco-conscious buyers and provides a tangible return on investment, ROI. Enhanced curb appeal. First impressions matter, and your windows play a major role in your home's exterior appearance. Worn out, cracked, or outdated windows can make your property look neglected, while new windows can instantly refresh and modernize your home's curb appeal. With a variety of window styles, colors, and finishes available, you can choose options that complement your home's architecture and reflect your personal taste. For example, traditional homes, double-hung windows with grid patterns add classic elegance. Modern homes, sleek picture windows or casement windows offer clean lines and a contemporary feel. Craftsman homes, bay or bow windows create dimension and add charm. Enhancing your home's curb appeal makes it stand out in Nampa's competitive real estate market, drawing more attention from potential buyers. Improved home comfort. Replacing your windows not only boosts energy efficiency but also improves the overall comfort of your home. Modern windows eliminate drafts, maintain consistent indoor temperatures, and reduce noise pollution. Features like double or triple pane glass with insulating gas reduce external noise, creating a quieter and more peaceful living space. Comfort is a top priority for prospective buyers. A home that feels consistently comfortable year-round is far more appealing, which can result in a quicker sale and a higher selling price. Lower maintenance costs. Older windows, especially wood-framed ones, often require regular maintenance, such as sanding, repainting, and resealing. Over time, this maintenance can become costly and time-consuming. Additionally, windows that are difficult to open, close, or clean can frustrate homeowners and potential buyers. Modern replacement windows are made from low-maintenance materials like vinyl and fiberglass that resist warping, rotting, and fading. Features like tilt-in sashes make cleaning a breeze, which is a major selling point for buyers looking for a move-in ready home with minimal upkeep. Increased home value and ROI. Window replacement is one of the most cost-effective home improvement projects for increasing property value. According to industry studies, homeowners can recoup a significant portion of the cost of new windows when they sell their home. For example, energy-efficient window replacements often yield an ROI of up to 70–80%, making them a worthwhile investment. In addition to the financial benefits, buyers view new windows as a major advantage because they won't need to worry about replacing them for years. For homes in Nampa, where weather conditions can take a toll on older windows, this added peace of mind makes your property even more appealing. Enhanced home security. Old windows with weak frames or broken locks can compromise your home's security. Modern replacement windows come with enhanced security features such as reinforced frames for added strength, multi-point locking systems for greater protection, impact-resistant glass that deters break-ins. For buyers prioritizing safety, these features can be a significant selling point that adds perceived value to your home. A competitive edge in the real estate market. In Nampa's growing real estate market, homes with updated windows stand out to potential buyers. New windows not only improve aesthetics and comfort but also provide practical benefits like energy savings and low maintenance. Buyers are often willing to pay a premium for a home that requires fewer upgrades and provides long-term value. Invest in window replacement for lasting value. Replacing your windows is a smart investment that enhances your home's value, comfort, and energy efficiency. For homeowners in Nampa, modern, energy-efficient windows provide immediate benefits while appealing to future buyers. Whether you're planning to sell your home or simply want to enjoy the advantages of new windows, this upgrade offers an excellent return on investment. If you're ready to improve your home's value with window replacement, consult with a professional installation team in Nampa. They can help you select the perfect windows for your needs, ensuring a smooth and stress-free installation process. Make the upgrade today and experience the lasting impact of beautiful, energy-efficient windows.